Hello beta, I am taking another question today. This is a question that is asked in 2022 paper, question number 7. Let us try to see what this question is saying. So try to read the question. It says differentiate between a parameter and statistic and which of the following are statistic and why. So try to understand that between a parameter and statistic, a parameter is anything that summarizes the data for entire population. And a statistic is anything that summarizes for the sample. ठीक है, जैसे अगर मैं सारा पॉपुलेशन का डेटा से मीन निकालूंगी then that will be written by mu. And अगर मैं उससे एक छोटा सैंपल निकाल के I will find out its mean, then that will be represented by x bar. So try to understand the difference, beta. Mu is the mean of the population and x bar is the mean of the sample. Now the question is going ahead and asking which of the following are statistic and why. इनमें से कौन से statistic हैं और क्यों आप उनको statistic बोलोगे? Why will you go ahead and call them as statistic? Let us try to read the first one. So in the first one, you see that there is presence of mu and sigma. It means that you are finding deviation from the mean of the population. So you would need the mean of the population. It means you are working you're working with a parameter and you're not working with a sample. So therefore it is not a statistic. Look into the second part, beta. यहाँ देखो, it says summation xi minus x by n. It is very clear that when we talk about summation xi minus x by n, it is clearly a statistic, beta. Why is it a statistic? Because it uses only x, right? It is not using anything from the population. तो imagine करो कि अगर ये पूरा population है और इससे एक छोटा सा sample निकाला 5 observation का, तो उन्हीं 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन का मैं डिविएशन निकाल रही हूं किसी एक नंबर से डिवाइड बाय n. So it is not using anything from the population and therefore it can be called as a statistic. Look in the third part, beta. It says summation xi by n. Again, it is not using anything from the population. So it is a statistic. Again, think of the same example. आपके पास एक पूरा population है. From the population, you have found out 3 observation. आपने उन 3 observation को add किया और divide by 3 कर दिया, तो it is a statistic. It is not a parameter, right? Look at the last one, beta. Maximum of xi minus mu minus min of xi minus mu by n. So note here that in this case, it is going ahead and it is taking the value of the population. It is not considering the sample, right? It is considering the population values. So it is not a statistic. I hope this question is clear to you, beta. Okay, thank you.